Can I go?
Yeah, dude.
Alright, yo, it's that fat nigga Chewy. About to do some shit. I'm the K-Goon. I'm dumb, stupid high right now. Ready for this? It's the almighty fireball.
No.
Nigga, Chewy.
Chewy.
Yeah, fill that shit up, though.
This nigga's retarded.
Keep filling it, though. Frank in the house.
This nigga's retarded, dog.
Alright, yo, go ahead. Leave your lips like that and do it. Ready?
Well, hold on, I gotta do it again. I inhaled that shit, though. I inhaled that shit, yo.
This nigga suck right here.
Don't open your mouth. Just leave it like that. And don't blow, dog. Just let it in there and then you blow it out.
Mm.
Out the patch.
How'd your patch? How'd your patch? Hold on, dude.
That little bit in.
Do it one more time, Chewy, with a lot.
Nah, dog.
Do it one more time.
Nah.
Do it.
Do it one more time for the camera, Doug. Hey, turn your head and face the other way. Face that way. Towards the TV. Leave that shit in for a while, Doug. Yes. Just go, Doug. Just for the camera. Shut up, Doug. We're rapping shit right here. Hold on, dog. Leave it in. Yeah, dog. Leave it there. Yeah, dog. Chewy, it's pretty good at the film. Don't inhale it.
Yo, you heard me.
Ready? Now look towards the TV and do it. Go. You fucking blow, dog.
I inhaled it again.
Alright, this is a redo.
Hold on, dog. We're gonna